Considering a robot vacuum, and in particular one from iRobot, they are one of the biggies when it comes to robot floor cleaning technology. And the two most recent models are the Roomba S9 Plus and the Roomba i7 Plus. But how can you choose between them? I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I've been fortunate enough to be able to test out both of these bots side by side in my home. I'll show you how they compare and help you make the best buying decision for you. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from.
First off, it's worth pointing out these robots both come with a base station called the Clean Base Automatic Dirt Disposal that acts as both a charging dock and an automated garbage bin. That's what the plus symbol in their names indicates. You can get both Roombas without the bin for a lower price. You'll find these listed as merely S9 and i7 models. The base will automatically empty your robot's onboard dustbin when it's full by returning to the dock and activating the empty cycle. This is a very convenient feature that keeps dust down from previous iterations where you had to physically dump the bin into the trash. Both Roombas are app connected using iRobot's app and can be scheduled to clean at certain times. Both also have smart mapping, which enables the robot to learn, map, and adapt to your home, allowing you to choose which rooms are cleaned and when. There's keep-out zones, which offer added control to actively avoid specific areas or objects in your home, like pesky tasseled rugs or the dog's water dish.
One of the first and most noticeable differences is the shape of these bots. The i7 Plus over there is round, while the S9 Plus here has a squared front. So what difference does shape actually make? The square front and the sides, or the corners, I guess, of the S9 Plus here allows it to get more of its brushes and rollers in contact with walls, trim, and edges, leading to a better clean. Now, while both bots do clean really well, the technology that iRobot calls Perfect Edge does allow this version, the S9 Plus, to get closer to edges than ever before.
The brush structure of the two Roomba vacuums is slightly different. The i7 Plus on the left there has a 3-arm corner brush to dig out dirt, while the newer S9 Plus has a more compact brush with more arms and bristles. Its placement in the corner maximizes its reach into your corners. Take a look at the rollers. They're narrower on the i7 Plus than they are on the newer S9 Plus. On the S9, they're designed to cover a wider area.
Not surprisingly, the newest Roomba has more powerful suction. The S9 Plus here gives you 40 times the suction compared to the iRobot 600 series models, and this one also will automatically increase suction power when it detects carpets to power dirt from the fibers.
This is called Power Boost, and it's only on the newer S9 Plus. The i7 Plus has 10 times more suction than the 600 series vacuums. The S9 Plus gave you 40 times that suction. The i7 Plus has no Power Boost, though, and no Perfect Edge technology.
There is a built-in anti-allergen system on the 9 here that is not available on the 7. Now, while both of these vacuums employ vacuum bags inside the clean base to help trap dirt, the S9 Plus uses a high-efficiency filter hidden inside, which iRobot says traps 99% of mold, pollen, dust mites, and other allergens. So if you're prone to allergies, this might make the 9 here better for you. Now, there is another significant difference between these two robots, and that is price. The 7 over there sells for about $999 Canadian dollars, while the newer 9 here is about $13.99. $400 is no small chunk of change, so you will really need to decide for yourself if the wider brushes, anti-allergen filter, better edge cleaning, power boost, and more suction power is worth that extra money. If you want to read more about these two bots or check out full individual and detailed reviews of them, head over to TechGadgetsCanada.com, or you can search for them here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can catch me on Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always find me at Facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.